Alright, good morning, YouTubers. Just got a little thing here. These are the 820 Chevy big block heads, and I took them off of a 402, and I did a little converting here. But you can see this little mark right here and right here. You can see it over here and over here, here and here lightly. Basically, the casting is coming in contact with the pistons. So as you can see, I have a very it's not a big dome on it, but they are over the original equipment style piston. So after I got this engine put together, I'm hearing a rattling noise, and I'm going back and forth with it, replaced the rockers, adjusted them like 5-6 times. I actually pulled the valve covers off because I noticed that the rockers were coming in contact here, so in here, so I ended up putting back the original type valve covers on it. Of course, that didn't solve the problem. So basically what I'm saying excuse me, basically what I'm saying is, when you use the heads off of a 402 and you're upsizing, say, to a 454, or in my case right here, I'm going to a 427, and you use the dome pistons, just be careful not only if the valves come in contact with the pistons, but the casting on the head comes in contact with the piston. So just a little tip there for you. Maybe you won't go through the time that I spent on this thing trying to figure it out, but persistence pays off, and I figured it out. Alrighty, we'll see you, YouTubers. Till next time. This is Real Steel Automotive Engine Rebuilding.